guys, welcome back to my channel and hope you all are well and had a lovely Christmas and New Year. 2020 has been a strange year for all of us and hopefully 2021 will be much better and good things will come our way. High five for 2021! Yeah! So Lola agrees as well. Positive vibes for 2021. Fingers crossed! So this video is going to be a bit different to what I usually do. New year, new me! No? Is it going to be a new year, new Lola? No? Well, it's going to be a new year, new me. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to review this Happy Go Lash Mascara, which I ordered from the Body Shop. I don't know if you guys get this as well. Whenever you buy like a brand new mascara, it's always like really exciting to just try it out. Because whenever I buy new mascara, for some reason, I just get so excited to try it out for the first time, like the first day of trying out the new mascara, and that is today. It's just something about opening it and putting it on your lash for the first time, seeing how it turns out. It just kind of feels really magical or something, you know? But I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I just always get really excited to try new mascaras. Do you, Lola? So I'm not a professional makeup artist or anything. This is actually my first ever video of reviewing a makeup product and I'm really excited to just try this out and do this for the first time. But I thought I'd do this video and share it with you guys because the past few months I've been so obsessed with the Body Shop and I've bought quite a few products from them and I'm just really liking their stuff. If you guys are new to my channel is mainly about thrifting, buying secondhand stuff, selling them online and just making a bit of profit from doing so and having a good time. I also want to inspire you guys to live a more sustainable life, which is what I'm doing as well, hence my secondhand buying, because I'm also buying a lot more clothes that are secondhand and I'm also buying a lot more products that are sustainable and reusable, and I feel like the Body Shop can relate with my sort of lifestyle because number one, their products are vegetarian and cruelty free, about 50% of their products are vegan. Number two, they're gradually trying to make their packaging 100% recyclable. Whenever I order anything from them, it always comes in a cardboard box and when I open it just feels nice not to see any plastic wrapping. It's just all recyclable materials and it just makes me feel nice, you know, when I order something and I can see that they've put the effort in to try and not use as much plastic. And number three, as one about plastic, they also use fair trade recycled plastic for their products. And in my opinion, it's just nice to be buying from a company that's trying to make a difference, trying to cut down on plastic, trying to help with fair trade, you know, so yeah, I've just been buying more of their products recently because I want to support businesses like that. So yeah. So a little bit about this product, it's actually not vegan, it's vegetarian. So the reason why it's not vegan is because it has community fair trade beeswax, but it also has organic virgin coconut oil, which I think would be good for your lashes as well. So that's for me to find out the longer I use this, to see if my lashes are feeling softer and longer. So I'll let you guys know in the description after a couple weeks of using it. I'm just gonna have a look at some of the reviews on their website. Happy Go Lash Mascara, natural finish, 3.9 stars out of 5, which is alright. And let's see what sort of reviews they've got, eh? I'll read some out to you guys. There's a 1-star, worst mascara. This mascara is very wet and sloppy, makes a terrible mess. I like that it's very black, but that's the only thing. So that's not a good beginning, is it? Oh, another 1-star, wet and messy. Really don't get along with this. Find it smudges terribly and goes everywhere. Never had this with any other mascara. Sad face. Okay, so I've got great mascara. I like this mascara. Only problem is that I find it a bit gloopy when it's new. Seems to go on a bit better once it's been used a few times. Gives my lashes quite a full but natural look. Okay, 5 stars here, really good product. Really pleased with this mascara because my bottom lashes are quite long. Mascara tends to smudge under my eyes. This product did smudge a little bit, hence the 4-star for performance. But that said, I love the shape of the brush. It really lengthens and is buildable. Would definitely recommend. Alright, so from reading them, it seems like this mascara can be a bit gloopy to begin with. It might not suit everyone. So I'm just going to stop rambling on now and I'm going to see what I feel to this product. As you can see, I don't have any eye makeup on at the moment. I'm going to put a bit of eyeshadow on. I've got the Body Shop Own Your Naturals eyeshadow palette, and then I'll put on the mascara and see how it turns out. Gotta be a good dog and not bump into me, okay? Okay? Good. Lola, who's the goodest of goods? I've just added a little bit of brown on the outside of my eye and just gonna put on the mascara now. So that's what it looks like, and it's black. Duh. And yeah, I don't even really know what to say because I'm not like a beauty YouTube channel, you know, like I'm just like, okay, so it's black and it's pink and this is how it looks like, you know? Okay, let's see. It's actually quite hard leaning here against, towards my mirror. Okay. And also, what I'm trying to do is I don't want to smudge the mascara onto my lid, you know, like on that bit there. So I'm just trying to be really careful. I am gonna stop. You guys can't even see me, but this is hard. I need to... Lola. Good, Popo. Good. Don't bump into me. You're a good dog. Yes, you are. So I just realised that I didn't even curl my lashes before I put this on, but that is fine. This is what it looks like now. And I'm just gonna do the bottom lashes. So while I'm putting this on, I do kind of get why people are saying that it's a bit gloopy. I get where they're coming from, but I'm not hating the product. I'm actually quite liking it, but I understand the gloopy business they're all on about. One layer on one eye. I'm liking it so far. It's all right. I'm gonna do the second coat now. I kind of do wish that I curled my lashes before I put this on, but you know what? It's fine. Second coat, here we go. So that's with the second coat. So I feel like I'm not so keen on my top lash, but I feel like the bottom lashes do look really good and they look natural and long and thick. But I feel like my top lash kind of looks a bit, I don't know, what's the word? Fake? I don't know if it's the way that I put it on, but yeah. It's not all bad. I actually do really like it, you know? What do you think to it? Do you like it? Yeah? Oh, Lola likes it. I'm just gonna do the other side now. Okay, so this is one layer on the other side. And I've got to say, with one layer, it actually makes your eyes look natural. And I feel like I would go out with that amount of... And I feel like I would go out with that amount of mascara. Like, that does look natural and I'm impressed with that. But you know what? I'm just gonna go and do a second layer as well anyway, just to match the other side. But yeah, with one layer, I'm impressed. That does look natural. What do you guys think? I don't know what it looks like on the camera, but yeah, no, that looks nice. Yeah, I'm pleased with that one. What's with that? What's with that little hair there? What is that? I've done the other side now, and this is what I look like. I'm just gonna add a little bit of the bronzer from the Body Shop. I really like this bronzer. I've been using it quite a lot. Well, pretty much every day actually, because this is the bronzer that I've been using on my other YouTube videos when I'm doing my haul and my thrifting. This is the bronzer that I've been using on them. About this mascara, I will say I am pleased with it, but I don't think I would buy it again. Once this one runs out, I'll probably try a different mascara, because I feel like the bottom lashes, they look really nice, but my top lashes do look a bit, what's the word they used again? Wet and sloppy, or however the other people have been calling it. But like, it's good, but I've had other mascaras that I've liked more. I'm also gonna see if it makes my lashes feel a bit softer, a bit longer over time, and I'll let you guys know about that as well. Obviously, I don't want to diss products or anything, because I want to show you guys what's good and what I like. I'll link the product down in my description if you guys want to try it out yourselves as well. And all in all, I am pretty happy with the product, but I just don't think I would buy it again, if you know what I mean. But I'd say it's worth the try. Some people like it, some people don't. It's got pretty good reviews on the website, so yeah. All in all, I hope this video gives you an idea of what it's like using the Happy Go Lash mascara. So if you guys are into your thrifting and doing car boot sales and looking for bargains, feel free to check out my channel, because that's what my channel is mainly about. And if you liked my video, then give me a like. And if you want to see any more, give me a subscribe. And I'll catch you guys next week. See you later. Bye! Lola, sit. Okay, so Lola, your breath reeks. Your breath reeks. So from reading them, it seems like this mascara can be a bit gloopy to be